Hey,
Hey,
this is your
thank you.
latte with oat milk.
So good.
Yes.
Anyway, so as I was saying, it was a very tiring day. So I'm very tired, but I'm happy to be here now.
Me too. So what about if we just forget about work and focus on us for now?
Yeah, sounds good.
Right. So, babe, I've been thinking about it for the whole year actually lately. I've been thinking about it a lot. I'm happy every moment that I spend with you, and I'm thinking that we have been spending 5 years together, and I'm so happy with it. And everyone likes you, my mom, my dad, Bibi, Kila, my family, they love you. And I love you so much. That's the reason why I want to spend my life with you, the rest of my life with you. So, tonight, I want to ask you if you will marry me.
Oh my gosh, of course. Yes.
So glad that you say it. I was so nervous before I came here. Can I put it?
Of course.
Yeah, this is from my mom. Babe, are you checking the venue? Hey babe. Are you checking the venue for the wedding?
Oh yeah.
Ah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, look at this.
Hey, this is your tea.
Thank you.
Yes. Wow, is it in Helsinki?
Yeah, it's in the city center.
Wow,
It's a bit too fancy.
I don't think so. It's fine.
Really?
Yeah. Wow. Hey, I really need to rush. It's almost 9 and
Yeah,
I
of
need...
course.
I have an appointment at 9.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, see you.
See you.
Kena kau berbuang, lupakan du janji du. Bosan, mungkin kamu bosan. Tadi mama itindu. Dalam kamar si dewa, aku lupakan dulu. Lau ku rindu perasaanku pas pengelaku du dekarongku. Tempat bagi ernipiku akam dan berita baskam karongku. Janji sindu bebelas kendu bual kepe kerina laku gejam teriluh ke laku nginget perbahanan du janji sindu bebelas kendu bual habaskan karongku. Janji sindu bebelas kendu, bual kepe kerina laku kejam teriluh kelaku nginget perbahanan du. Janji sindu bebelas kendu, janji sindu bebelas kendu, janji sindu bebelas kendu. Bual kena berbuat